Scientists at the University of Hong Kong published the results of their research related to the spread of the coronavirus outbreak. In a medical journal published on Saturday, the scientists project as many as 75,815 people in Wuhan, China, may have been infected with the coronavirus. Wuhan, which has a population of 11 million, has been in isolation for weeks because the Chinese government is trying to stem the spread of the coronavirus. The death toll jumped overnight from 46 to 259, while the number of confirmed cases in China jumped to 11,791. While about 12 other countries have reported 137 cases of coronavirus. Reported by the South China Morning Post, Saturday. These conditions made the government of the United States, U.S., forbid the entry of most of its citizens who visited China in the last 2 weeks. This policy has been criticized by the Chinese government. A ban on visits to China was also carried out by Australia on Saturday. Then followed by Japan and Singapore, which imposed a similar step. The United States also quarantined residents who returned from China for 2 weeks. Washington's move was taken when the 7th coronavirus case was confirmed in the U.S., which infected a man in the California Bay Area. Other countries, such as Britain, South Korea, Singapore, and India, are evacuating hundreds of residents out of Wuhan. Britain attracts staff from its embassies and consulates in China. If the situation worsens, the ability of the British Embassy and British Consulate to provide assistance to British citizens from within China may be limited, the British government said in a statement. The rapid spread of the virus in 2 months prompted the World Health Organization, WHO, to declare it a global health emergency last Thursday. WHO is concerned about human-to-human transmission outside China. Countries must prepare for the possibility of imports to identify cases as early as possible and to be ready for domestic outbreak control, if that happens, said WHO representative in Beijing, Gordon Gailey. Poor countries that may not be equipped to respond are of particular concern. On Sunday, the government of Indonesia also temporarily revoked the visa-free visit for Chinese citizens. Foreign Minister Retno Marsudi conveyed that visa-on-arrival services for Chinese citizens residing in mainland China were also temporarily suspended. The policy was issued to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, 2019 nCoV, in Indonesia. Temporarily stopped, Retno said at Halim Perdana Kusuma Airport, Sunday, 2 halves.